You only need 3 ingredients to make anti-inflammatory peanut butter brownies. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of smooth peanut butter, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a mixing bowl, mash the bananas until smooth. Add the peanut butter to the mashed bananas and mix well until combined. Sift the cocoa powder into the mixing bowl and mix until the mixture is well combined and forms a thick batter. Using a small cookie scoop or a spoon, scoop the batter into small balls and place them on the prepared baking sheet, spacing them apart. Flatten the balls slightly with a fork. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the bites are firm and slightly golden. Remove from the oven and allow them to cool completely before serving. These peanut butter banana cocoa bites are delicious and easy to make, and they're a great snack or dessert option that's healthy and satisfying.